A BDS magnetic core drilling machine in action. Robust, well-engineered technology with proven reliability for daily use. But how are these quality tools actually made in Germany? We welcome you to our company. Please come in and have a look around. Since the company was founded, BDS Maschinen GmbH has become one of the world leaders in the development and production of magnetic core drilling machines and core drills. But BDS makes more than machines. Its top-quality core drilling tools are also made in Germany and come exclusively from our own workshop in Mönchengladbach. BDS reacts quickly and flexibly to special customer requests. The production of individualized special versions is a standard part of our offer. BDS offers a broad range of magnetic core drilling machines and drilling tools for professional use. The final assembly of all magnetic core drilling machines is carried out by experienced in-house experts. Much is still done by hand here, and every hand counts. Finally, every machine is subjected to a thorough quality inspection. All BDS products are packed with the same care. BDS exports around the world and takes great care that every machine arrives at the customer ready to use and in perfect condition. And after the sale, our maintenance and repair service are there to help. BDS core drill production. Optimal production procedures and modern machinery ensure the highest quality at every stage of the production process. For our tools, we use exclusively high-quality steel from well-known producers. This is the only way that regular quality can be guaranteed from the start. The production of blanks is largely automated. Steel is put through the automatic lathe in bar form and then cut to the required length. All required procedures are carried out in a single pass. Now that the blanks are finished, they're ready for the next step in production. During heat treatment, a computer-guided process ensures a constant degree of hardness. The hardened blanks are now ground. Fully automatic CNC grinding machines, in conjunction with CBN grinding technology, ensure the outstanding core drill quality. Here, the clamping areas are ground on the shaft. In a special ceramic peening process, the tools are now deburred. The BDS Vario coating, which extends the service life even further, is then applied by a certified specialist company. Finally, every tool is imprinted with complete specifications and the BDS logo. In the production of core drills, expert packing and optimal corrosion protection are especially important. Well, that was a quick look at our production. Now it's time to show the machines and tools themselves in action. We hope this has provided some insights, and we thank you for your interest.